Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your graphic settings on the Smash Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Smash Legends on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to change your graphic settings, just click on the menu icon at the top right corner. This will now open up your menu page where you can click on the gear icon at the top, which is the settings option. Now within settings, if you go into the general settings page, you will see the graphics menu. Here you will have 3 different options ranging from low, balanced as well as high. Now to begin with, you can start using the high resolution and make sure the highest available frame rate is also selected. Apart from this, there are no other options. So just go back and your settings will be applied. You can now click on the start button to see how your changes feel. And if your game is running just smoothly, then you don't need to make any more changes. Otherwise, you can go back and try reducing the graphics by one more step. By following this process, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Smash Legends game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.